back on site. Got the crusher on first load here. Gonna get it in with the skid steer and then roll it in. Then my next truck's gonna be putting it in the bottom. I told me, gotta go to the bottom today. Oh, overfill. Just messing with the skid steer for now because I didn't want it all over the edge going out. Control the pile a little bit better with this skid steer. Get it in the middle, then I'll hit it off with the dozer. Yeah, getting the roll on. Get this rolled out. It's nice and moist too. Like a black top, like a black top. Moment of truth, we're gonna get him down here. He's hugging that right side a little too much, but bring it on down. He's got it. Ground stable as heck. Looking real good. Looking real good. Yeah, we got him down. Now let's see if he can get out. Spin a tiny bit like butter. Nice. Yeah, super pumped. That truck made it up and out. Makes the job a lot easier. That stone installed for the most part. Quick install. Gonna hit it with the roller. Obviously it's not done, it's just roughed in. And super pumped. We got this stone down here though. Super pumped. Yeah, got another truck. Nice. We got another one. Couple inches in the bottom, like so. Got another one. Dropping her in. Starting to fill it. Alright, this is the low spot where we pull them rocks. Just putting some stone, gonna come up with lifts on that. Have the truck just dumping in the corner. Got a root here. Scraping the fluff away, fine tuning the sub base before we put the stone in, like so. You only want to get an inch or two in the bottom of this with stone. Another truck of stone coming, crusher run, whatever. Nice, got them right back there where we need them. Get them dumped off. Yeah, got a little road going back in, a pile there, waiting on one more truck. Getting late in the day, he only wants to run one more. Getting the dozer, push that off to the back and get the next pile to the back. Two more and then we'll start grading in here. That will give us 6 total inside and we could start playing around. On site, let's see what we got. Getting a little box out there to stockpile another load of crusher run because that will be parking. Grade it off and just put my grade, put a circle around when they're high, an X when they're dead on. So that's got, all this is 2 inches high here, 2 inches high, 1 inch high. Get this thing graded and compacted. We'll be in good shape. Forms, we got rain coming tomorrow, forms being delivered Thursday, and those will all be set. starting Thursday. A couple more loads of crusher coming. Let's get to it. All right, let's get graded first. Take the highs and put them in the lows. We know we got to take 2 inches out of here. Got to come up 4 inches, 6 inches around here. Get rid of this little bit of slop that I pulled up yesterday. Put it over here for now in the corner. Tilt bucket. Yeah, boys, take your time. Just back drag nice and easy after you get your grade. We'll roll it. Check grade. Made out after we roll it, it will settle a little bit and just fine tune it with some fluff on the top. Call it kaput. All right, all roughed in. We're gonna hit it with the roller, recheck grade. Gonna give it a quick roll job without the vibrator. Don't want to pump the ground. Just gonna set this stone. right, just fine tuning after the roll job, cutting this out, all the excess we got to fill in the low. We knew that was low. A little bit on the edges over there, re-roll it. All right, tilty, sprinkle the edge. Need 2 inches down here. Okie dokie, just after lunch. Looking real good and close. Basically done. 6 inches compacted the whole way. It's within millimeters. So just going over here, gonna move some stones, throw them up on the hill, and then grade off the dirt there so we can get the concrete trucks around. This place is gonna be in good shape. Got a load of crusher run up on top. My last load just for after the construction's done, I can just fine tune the driveway, take care of the mud, whatnot. He's a heavy little guy. Heavy big guy. Oh, she's already coming apart. Lighten her up a little, buddy. When you twist like that, that's how you bend things. Bend the thumb. This thumb AR400 was pretty strong, but I have bent previous thumbs in the past by doing that. Just set these aside. Yeah, Spectra lasers. Looking good. Gonna get in a dozy doze and knock these piles off. Holy moly, been looking for my camera for the last half hour. Finally found the magnet stuck down in the ground. I stuck the magnet to the roller and then decided to use the roller. And if you could see the front of this camera, it's completely burnt off. I don't even can't believe it's working. But anyways, I just retouched that up, rolled it all in. We got the crusher run all in to height, 6-inch sub base and compacted. Now the forms will go in next, which Carl and his guys will do that. I'll come back and I'll pin them for them. I'll put some dirt along the bottom all the way around. They're gonna pour it, and then I'll be back just to final grade, and this phase is done. We're working on the next phase over there. We just submitted the proposal for that whole field to get stumped, that hill and the top up there. So there's quite a bit of work there. Basically stump it, grub it, push the overburden off, and then see what we got for elevations. All right, guys, this one's a wrap. I can't believe that camera. I'll take a picture and put it up for you guys. Unbelievable. But yeah, I'll catch you. I'm heading up to that project an hour away. I gotta put an electrical line in.